Hello everyone, and I welcome to my channel Coding with Ishan. And this is a series I'm starting for Java developer. So we will be teaching you Java from scratch to the hero level. So here is the video one for introduction to Java. So if we are learning any language, so first person came in the mind is why to learn Java in 2024. So here are some point I have created for you. Java is in high demand for Java full stack developer tech stack. Basically, like many product-based company like Amazon still is uses Java, Spring Boot in the backend, and React as a for front end. This is a realistic thing, so you can research on that. And a growth in cloud native Java development. If you know some cloud and if you know the Java development, Java backend development, there are so many libraries and frameworks you can work on and have a very strong skill like cloud native development. You can learn Spring Boot after having expertise in core Java and advanced Java, and you can learn Quarkus, Vertex with cloud. It's a Spring Cloud is a separate like a library framework for separate module in a Spring framework for learning cloud part of the backend development. So ongoing demand for core Java skills, multi-threading, we have concurrency, collection, and stream. There's a very need of good Java developer, skilled Java developer in the market for enterprise application development. Vast community support since Java is built. Application dependent on Java. Entire multiple MNC uses Java like TCS and etc. So that's not a point of a discussion. So here we begins with Java history. So here Sun microsystem is built at Java, and how Java came names. It's came a name from a coffee a brand coffee breed. So when Java is in a development phase, so James Gonson thought that how we can name that a programming language that instinct the mind. So here is name the programming language on a like coffee breed that is Java. So here you can examine that symbol. It's a like cup of coffee, Java symbol. So here in its 1995 Java makes its debut with 60 million users worldwide. So like that in Java 8 is mainly used in enterprise development, which is come in 2014, which has mainly features like stream API, lambda function, etc. After learning and we can have a good grasp on that, like what is lambda like that and further videos. So LTS version, which means long-term support on that, so that we get all the updates from Java team like Java 8, Java 11, 17, 21, which is 21 is still we are latest, and like then we have a ongoing coming on. So still so many companies use Java 8 and so many companies are migrating to the new feature. That's why they need more Java developer to their migrate their code in the higher level of Java version. So let's have a working. Why Java so famous? Cross platform like Vora concept, write once, run anywhere. Java gives its like important feature, write one code and run out any machine. So it's Java dependency, and later on that we will be learning object oriented programming language. It's a object oriented programming language, not completely, but it's 99%. So that gives an edge over other languages like C. And built-in security and garbage collection is a very important feature for free up of memory, which is not in like C++. You have to manually clean that memory. Multi-threading support for making multi-threaded applications, strong community support, excellent documentation, and popular set of programming languages. And in the main crux of this video is learn how Java code works. So is the next PPT. So here is a quick diagram for you to understand how the Java code works, how flow of code works. So if you are a developer, you have know that integrated development kit, which is IDEs. I use this IntelliJ, Eclipse, NetBeans also, but there is a popular one in IntelliJ. So many developers use. When you write any code, like you write a code of A plus B in IntelliJ, like so here it's Java code. If you compile in that, its extension is .java. After that, in the JDK part, this is this. It's syntax checking going on, compilation also, and convert to bytecode. This is an internal process. You know, this is all that process is direct. It's going on internally. But for more depthness, I have to tell you that it's syntax checking also done, compilation is also done. Then it's done to direct to bytecode dot class file, which is very important for JVM. So it directly passes to the JVM. So internally JVM, how it works, loading its bytecode, then verification of JVM, it's a security feature. Then through the Git compilation, it's convert to the native machine code. This is the important part. Just in time compiler, it's a very important part of a JVM. So it converts the to native machine code, which is it converts the bytecode to the native machine code, which processor of that operating system learns. Like if you have a Windows, Linux, it's different. It will convert, like bytecode is a platform independent. You can run on any machine through a JVM, and it converts to native code. If it needs any libraries, it's also present in JRE, Java Runtime Environment, which provides some libraries, and it contains JVM. So here is Git compilation. After that, it will convert the native code to machine code, and after that your program or processor, microprocessor or processor will run that code, what is in a binary form. So I hope you understand the video very well. Comment me your opinion, how can I improve, what's next you want. I hope you learn it. Thank you.